Alright, boys and girls, we have arrived at Kawaguchiko. Kawaguchiko, Fuji, Kawaguchiko.
So we just checked in at our hotel called Rakuyu. Or I'll write the name somewhere. So far, I'm actually very pleasantly surprised. Now, I booked it pretty much last minute. Now it doesn't have sort of the Mount Fuji view by the lake, but it does have the lake view, and it's a very pretty lake in my opinion. And honestly, it's only like probably like a 10-20 minutes walk to the northern side of sort of like the little lake area we're in. And from there, I'm pretty sure you can get like a view of Mount Fuji. So we're probably gonna do that. We got this Japanese traditional room. It was the only room they had left, so it was a little bit more expensive, and I think it's quite worth it. So we're just gonna like pack out some few stuff and then head out. Our full first day in Fuji starts tomorrow. So yeah, excited to be at Fuji for the first time. Glad to be here and spend the next 2 days here to explore.
Alright guys, so just spent a good hour or more just taking different shots of Mount Fuji. So it's now time to head back, find some dinner, probably some pizza. I found like a really decent pizza spot. I've just been having Japanese food for the entire trip, so I'll be happy with some Italiano. Lisa, what did you think of Mount Fuji? Was it worth it?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, it's a big thumbs up
Yes.
from us. We've all seen images and videos of Mount Fuji, but you don't really get a proper sense of anything unless you experience it in real life. So I think that's what travel is all about. You can see all the videos that I make, the videos that other creators make. In the end, you really have to go there yourself, guys. You have to experience this yourself. It's just not the same watching a video. So travel to Japan, come to Fuji. That's an order. Breaking news. The pizza restaurant is closed. I have to find something else. And now we found a small ramen shop. They're just making ramen out of a little truck here. I think they serve Hiroshima style tonkotsu ramen. So looking forward to it. After a chilly day, nothing beats warm ramen. Hiroshima style ramen, tonkotsu. Lisa got the lobster version, which is a little bit too fishy for me when I tasted it, but still very good. Good morning, everyone. This is our first full day. We're heading towards a bike rental shop, and hopefully we can rent 2 bikes for today so we can do some exploring, just biking around the lake. Look at that, Mr. Fuji. Big boy Fuji-san. The weather is super nice, no clouds in sight, so can't ask for better weather and a better day to start our full day of exploring. All right, guys, so this is our bikes we just got. Got the bikes for the full day. Got to return it before the shop closes at around 8 p.m., I believe. Boys and girls, rent a bike, honestly. Rent a bike. you guys see Mount Fuji? Hopefully. This is the apple strawberry, and Lisa got the vanilla blueberry one. I will give this 7.5 out of 10. Yes, it's melting. Oh, 7.5 out of 10. The blueberry one. Oh my god, so much better, guys. Get the blueberry vanilla one. Welcome back. This is our last full day here in the Fuji area. Our first stop of the day is Oshino Hakkai, which is this small, sort of picturesque little village. It's very pretty, very scenic, and it's worth the stop. It's definitely a little bit of a side trip outside of Lake Kawaguchiko, but I think if you're spending 2 days here, definitely worth doing. Anyways, let's check out Oshino Hakkai.